song for all you bad girls out there. Our anthem. You know what, sometimes too much of a good thing gets real bad. Ooh, woke up this morning with a pain in my head, stretching and yawning. I realized this ain't my bed. Things are all cloudy. I can barely feel my legs. Then a voice cries out, "Baby, how do you like your ex?" Well, I was looking for a good time last night. The tequila had me feeling alright. Well, now I only have myself to blame. As soon as I find my shoe, I'll be doing the walk of shame. Looking around the room, I'm searching for a clue. Saying to myself, girl, what did you do? My shirt is on backwards, I got one side on. I found my shoe, but now my dignity is gone. I was looking for a good time last night. The red wine had me feeling alright. Well, now I only have myself to blame. As soon as I find my sock, I'll be doing the walk of shame. Oh, everything is fuzzy. How'd I end up in this place? These voices that I'm hearing, why can't I picture the face? The last thing I remember was sitting at the bar. Now I have no idea where I left my car. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no, 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 no. Gonna tell about it, Tom. I'm gathering my clothes, looking for my keys, crawling around the floor on my hands and knees. I ain't eating breakfast, I ain't saying goodbye. I opened up the window and like a bird I fly. I was looking for a good time last night. Those coronas had me feeling alright. Well, now I only have myself to blame. Heading down the fire escape, I'm doing the walk of shame. Walk with me, y'all.
Walk of shame.
I'm doing the walk.
Walk of shame.
I got no one,
Got no one but myself to blame.
Down the fire escape, I'm doing the walk of shame. Doing the walk.
Walk
Yeah, doing the walk, y'all.
of
I
shame.
must admit it's safe.
Got no one but myself to blame.
Another Saturday night's got me doing the walk of shame. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's learn Doing the Walk. It's choreographed by Pim Van Grootel, Jeff Camps, and Rory Verdonk. It is a 32 count, 4-wall high improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn, line, and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going all the way around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows so you can hopefully dance it on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Doing the Walk. Section 1, you're always going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a ball step, quickly stepping our right foot next to our left and stepping forward with your left. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, stepping right, stepping left. Right now your weight is on your left foot. We're going to do 2 heel bounces. Each heel bounce is going to make an 1/8 of a turn. So we're turning over our right shoulder. You're going to lift both heels up. Recover back down onto that left foot. You're now at 130. We're going to do it again, lifting both heels up, making an 1/8 of a turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and you'll be facing 3 o'clock. We're now going to do a ball cross. We're going to quickly step our right foot next to our left and cross our left over our right. We're now going to do a ball cross behind. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and cross our left behind our right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We're rocking forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 2, we're gonna hold and snap. We're now gonna quickly step our right foot to the right side. We're gonna do another ball cross. So we're stepping that right foot and crossing our left over our right and holding and snapping. We're now gonna rock our right foot to the right side, and as you recover, you're gonna make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. We're gonna step forward with our right. We're now gonna step out with our left, out with our right. We're gonna bring our left in back center and cross our right over our left. Let's try that with some counts. We just crossed behind for 1. You're holding for 2. So it's 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Section 3, we're gonna point our left toe to the left side, touch our left foot next to our right, and we're going to do a kickball cross, kicking that left foot slightly into the diagonal, stepping our left next to our right, and crossing our right over our left. We're now gonna make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping back with our left foot to face 3 o'clock. Another quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6. We're now gonna bring our left knee in towards our right, and we're gonna look over our right shoulder to the side wall, or 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. We just did our out, out, and cross for 1. We're doing our point, touch, kickball, change. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And you want that toe pointed out and your knee just coming in and looking over your shoulder. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're gonna make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping down onto our left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. We're gonna make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping our left foot back, right together, left forward. We're now going to do a shorty George, which is just walking with pushing your knees out. So when we step forward with our right foot, you're gonna take your knee and you're gonna push it out as you step. And then when we do with our left, you're gonna push your left knee out. When you do it again with the right, you're gonna step and push your knee out. Same thing with the left, step and push your knee out. So what it's going to look like is, from behind so you can see, they're gonna kind of look like skates, but you don't wanna push your foot on the floor. You wanna step and bring that knee out. So you're going out, 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 out. If that feels really hard or it's something that you're working on, you can kind of replace them with sassy walk, 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 if shorty Georges are harder. So now let's try that with some counts. We're facing that back wall. Our knee would have just come in and we're looking over our right shoulder. I want you to think that this look is kind of like a prep to do that turn over your left shoulder. So we're here, we're making that quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, shorty George. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're ready to start all over with your rock. So now let's face the front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with that rock. Rock, recover, ball, step. Walk, walk, 8th bounce, ball, cross. Ball behind, hold and snap. Ball cross, hold and snap. Side rock, quarter recover, step. Out, out, in, cross. Point, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter back, quarter side, knee with your look. Quarter forward, half back, coaster, step, shorty George. Walk with your knee, walk with your knee, walk with your knee, walk with your knee. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2 and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the end of the dance. After, you don't have to worry about anything extra because there is no tags, no restarts. You're just going to do the dance all the way through without stopping. Now the song is a little sassy, so you have the opportunity to add a little bit extra in. Some things that I like to add in for styling is when I'm doing those ball crosses and my snaps, I like to bend my knees and dip a little. Same thing with the behind one, I like to dip and look. The other thing I like to do on my Shorty George or the boogie walk forward, I like to sometimes bring my hands up my body, you know, make it a little bit extra sassy, and you can add whatever you want into it because it is a really fun song to add extra stuff into. So now we're gonna go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. Weight's gonna start on that left foot. We're starting with our rock. Rock, recover, ball, step. Walk, walk, eighth, bounce, ball, cross, ball behind, hold and snap, ball, cross, snap, rock, quarter, recover, step, out, out, and cross. Point, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter, back, quarter, side, knee with your look. Quarter forward, half back, coaster, step, your Shorty George, walk, 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 walk. Rock 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, ball, step. Walk, walk, eighth, bounce, ball, cross, ball behind, hold, ball, cross, hold, rock, quarter, recover, step, out, out, and cross. Point, touch, kick, ball, cross, quarter back, quarter side, knee with your look, quarter forward, half back, coaster, step, your Shorty George, walk with your knee, 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 your rock 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. Hold 2, and 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn doing the walk. Don't forget, add a little bit extra, make that dance your own, have a lot of fun with it. And I hope I get to dance this on a dance floor with you soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.